Earth serves as the grand stage for nature's breathtaking performances, from devastating landslides that sweep everything in their path to hurricanes that ravage the landscape. Humans are mere spectators, uninvited and often helpless, witnessing the awe-inspiring displays of Mother Nature's raw power. When a 7.4 earthquake hits Taiwan, dodging a landslide is just the start. This car avoided the landslide, only to face a flying boulder. Talk about bad luck. Thankfully, everyone's okay, but this clip is a wild reminder that nature doesn't play fair. When a river decides to take your car on a joyride, there's not much you can do but watch. Everest's avalanche roared down the mountain, transforming a peaceful scene into a swirling cloud of snow and ice. It's the kind of moment that gets your heart racing, and a spectacle you won't forget anytime soon. The heart-stopping moment, a bolt of lightning strikes nearby, sending a young girl running for cover. Thankfully, she's okay. Bioluminescent plankton light up the shoreline, turning an evening stroll into an unforgettable experience. This is what happens when your house suddenly transforms into a snow castle and the world around you turns into a frozen kingdom. Aftermath of a snowstorm that coated everything in ice, turning an ordinary walkway into a scene straight out of a winter fairy tale. A landslide in Pithoragar sent massive boulders crashing down, cutting off access and leaving 300 people temporarily stranded. This dust storm in Khao-Lak, Senegal, is rolling in like nature's own dramatic curtain call. It's as if the desert decided to take a stroll through town, leaving everyone scrambling for cover. Just look at that wall of dust, so majestic it almost makes they forget they're about to be engulfed in a sandy embrace.
Oh, wow.
Awesome.
As the dust storm engulfs the camp, you'd expect panic, but not here. Our explorers stay cool, even as tents flap wildly and sand fills the air. One guy even seems ready to sweep up the desert.
The mattress.
A massive boulder rolled onto a highway in Nagaland, India, crushing 3 cars. The drivers didn't see that coming. Now their cars look more like pancakes than vehicles.
Right. Oh, there goes the umbrella. Oh.
Nature decided to spice things up by sending down a barrage of hailstones so fierce that in Rock Hill, South Carolina, it felt like winter had made a surprise summer comeback. With hail so large that it practically turned a backyard pool into an instant ice bath.
Jesus Christ.
Mount Etna once again reminds us why it's Europe's most active volcano. As lava bursts forth, it looks like the Earth itself is trying to cook up something fiery. Welcome to Buffalo, where snowdrifts this high are just part of the winter fun. It's not just snow, it's buffalo snow, taking winter to the next level. It's a mix of comedy and tragedy, seeing a car braving the wild waters like a stubborn explorer. The owners probably won't know whether to laugh or cry when they recall this unforgettable adventure. Once again, Salcante Mountain proves that Mother Nature is the ultimate artist, masterfully balancing the terrifying with the breathtaking. And luckily, those hikers are just far enough away to enjoy this massive snow show without becoming part of it. Well, landslides can be downright terrifying because you never know when they'll strike. This rock seems fine, right? But these cars are definitely not. Let's pray for their safety. If rolling clouds look impressive during the day, there's something unsettling about them during a nighttime thunderstorm. The combination of darkness and the storm's chaos creates a truly eerie scene. Affection and gentleness can transform even the most dangerous creatures. A predator can turn into a sweet, purring kitten in the arms of a diver. It seems like this truck driver just got recruited for the aquatic division. Maneuvering through this flooded road with such ease, maybe they should consider a career in amphibious vehicle racing. Just standing on the porch, and you've got a front row seat to a free thrill ride. Did someone just apply the Mars filter to this photo? Nope, that's just nature showing off, leaving Instagram in the dust. When the sky looks this good, who needs filters anyway? Well, that's one way to clear a beach. When a tornado rolls in, your relaxing vacation quickly turns into an action movie. Time to swap those flip-flops for running shoes.